Thank you. How are you guys?
We're good.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah,
That's good.
what country are you from?
Sorry?
How was your day and what country are you from?
Good. Zimbabwe.
Oh, that is, how's Mugabe?
Who?
Mugabe.
What do you know about Mugabe?
We're from Zimbabwe ourselves.
You guys from Zimbabwe?
Yeah, we live together.
Okay, I think, Mugabe is fine, I think. Where's Baba?
Oh, we're the Barbies because we look at our hair, we did it ourselves. So, doing great.
You guys know what you're doing?
Yeah, so what was braids? Yeah, we can probably fit a few braids or curls in there.
Okay.
Yeah. So what would you like?
I just want to trim at the top and just...
The top trim?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Alright.
So we're just gonna... Okay, ready? Oh my gosh! Oh my god! I am so sorry about your hair. I know. We didn't know what to do. At least we... No, we can't do it. At least we have a wig.
You cut my hair off with silly mangusi. You cut my hair off with silly mangusi.
Wait. This, you see this? We can make a wig.